Okay, good morning. My name is Alok and this is Waking Wise. And I request everyone to mute the microphone so that we can begin the sessions. So, today we'll cover a topic which is awareness. The first vehicle to go inside is awareness. A lot of people struggle with awareness. What is awareness? So, the first thing that you do is sit back, keep your spine straight, as I say regular, right? Keep your spine straight, your chest up, your shoulder up, neck up, okay? And take three long breaths. Urakah, Rechakah, Urakah, Rechakah, Urakah, Rechakah. Focus where your breath is. Focus where your breath is. Is the breath in the left nostril? Is the breath in the right nostril? If the breath is in the left nostril, then the body is cooling. If the breath is working on the right nostril, then the body is heating. It could be the case that the breath is coming and going from both the nostrils. It could be possible that the breath is coming and going from both the nostrils. That means the heat balance in the body is normal. Keep breathing. Keep taking long deep breaths. 5 seconds inlet, 5 seconds outlet. 7 in, 7 out. 10 in, 10 out. Whatever is comfortable. As we go forward, we'll also request you to change the ratio 1 is to 2. 5 seconds inlet, 10 seconds outlet. Right? If you're comfortable doing that, you can do it right now as well. Purakaha, Rechakaha, Purakaha. Like this. So you can also change that. Deeper exhalations mean deeper stress exits. Deeper exhalations mean deeper stress exits. Okay. Now, today we'll do a special exercise which we did earlier called as Dirgha Shavasana. We did last Saturday, I believe. But today we'll do it in sitting, right? Shavasana means lying down in a pose. But today you will not lie down, you will sit in a chair and keep your spine straight, okay? And use the power of imagination, use the power of visualization. The mind is gifted with the most amazing power of imagination. Right? And you have it in you. And today we will ensure that that is being used. Don't worry. Okay? 4 stages. Your spine should be straight. First, look at the entire body parts. Right leg, left leg. Obey my commands. Nothing else. Nothing else should come in your mind for the next 15 minutes. जस्ट मन में ये संकल्प ले लीजिए कि केवल मेरी आवाज आप तक पहुंचेगी. मन में ये संकल्प ले लीजिए कि केवल मेरी आवाज आप तक पहुंचेगी और सजगता बनाए रखें. कीप द अवेयरनेस इंटैक्ट. व्हाट इज अवेयरनेस? ध्यान कहाँ है? where are you? Where is your concentration? What are you observing? That is awareness. Awareness is observation. Awareness is concentration. ध्यान कहाँ है? Attention कहाँ है? Awareness is attention. Where's the attention? What is running in the mind? Are you inside the Kriya or outside the Kriya? In this 15 minutes, Dedicate your mind to my words and your attention to each and every actions and body parts which I am describing for you. Stage 1. Your right leg. Imagine it is becoming completely cool, relaxed, de-stressed. शांत, शीतल, समन्वय और संतुष्ट हो रहा है आपका दाहिना पैर, बायां पैर, लेफ्ट लेग, शांत, शीतल, सम और संतुष्ट हो रहा है. राइट हैंड, silent, relaxed, de-stressed, and completely in control. Left hand, completely relaxed, completely in control, completely loosened out. शांत, शीतल, सम, समन्वय और संतुष्ट. उसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Back of the body, front of the body, completely relaxed, completely de-stressed, settled, and in itself. All pain and stress is being removed. सारा दर्द खत्म. Now in stage 2, imagine your right leg becoming heavier and heavier. It's becoming so heavy that you're not able to lift it. आपका दाहिना पैर इतना भारी हो रहा है कि आप उठा नहीं पा रहे हैं उसको. भारी होते जा रहा है. बायां पैर, लेफ्ट लेग, becoming heavier and heavier and heavier. Both the legs together are becoming heavier. दोनों पैर एक साथ. दाहिना हाथ भारी हो रहा है, बहुत भारी. उंगलियां भी नहीं हिल रही हैं. बायां पैर, बायां हाथ, सॉरी, लेफ्ट हैंड. Left hand is becoming heavier and heavier and heavier. The entire body from the front side is becoming heavier. It's sinking on the chair. The entire body is taking the chair and sinking on the floor. It's becoming so heavy. The back of the body, the head is completely relaxed. The head is completely heavy. The face, back, ears, everything, the entire body has become so heavy that it's unable to control and it's sinking at a very high speed in the body, in the floor. भारी हो रही है पूरा शरीर और जिस चेयर पे जिस आसन पर बैठे हैं वो आसन समेत जमीन में जा रही है बहुत तेजी से. Now in stage 3, imagine there is a huge space in front of your mind. एक बहुत बड़ा आसमान आपके मानस पटल पर है. इस मानस पटल पे एक पेड़ की पत्ती की तरह आपका शरीर ऊपर से नीचे तेजी से आ रहा है. Imagine you have a space in which just like a leaf from a tree falls down, imagine your body is actually falling down from top to bottom with a very high speed. You're completely relaxed in that. Completely relaxed. Completely relaxed. Body is sinking and it's floating in that particular space. Body is completely sinking and floating in that particular space. You're completely relaxed, de-stressed, disconnected with the body. The body is pain-free, stress-free. Now in stage 3, focus on your breath. Is the breath very subtle? Yes. Is the breath very soft and mellow? Yes. And you are lighter with the breath. Imagine the breath coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out. You are just a breath now because you are not the body anymore. You are just the breath now. You are not the body anymore. Now, imagine a river flowing. Imagine a river side, एक नदी और नदी का किनारा. अपने मानस पटल से देखें सुंदर सुंदर वृक्ष, फलों के और फूलों के बागानों के. Beautiful trees and herbs and shrubs of fruits and flowers. Imagine tall mountains, बड़े विराट पर्वत. Imagine a small temple there, or a church, or a mosque, or a gurdwara, whatever is your place of worship. And there is sound coming from that particular place. मंदिर में से घंटी की आवाज आ रही है, गुरुद्वारे में से शब्द की, चर्च में से होली मास की, और मस्जिद में से अजान की. और ये आवाज आपके तन बदन को, रोम रोम को पुलकित कर दे रही है, क्योंकि ये दिव्य आवाज है. और आप एक शांत जगह में मंदिर के पास में खड़े हैं, मस्जिद के पास में खड़े हैं, और ये मनोरम दृश्य निहार रहे हैं. You're observing the sounds which are coming from the mosque, the temple, the gurdwara, the church, and your favorite divine place. And this is divine sound which is coming to you. And it is mesmerizing, it is filling your breath. It is completely filling you to such an extent that you were earlier the breath, now you have become the sound. अब आप मंदिर की घंटी की आवाज बन गए हो, गुरुद्वारे के शब्द का कीर्तन बन गए हो. अब आप मस्जिद में से उठने वाली आजान के आयात बन गए हो. अब आप होली मास होने वाली प्रेयर बन गए हो, और आप ये प्रेयर बन के उस डिवाइन प्लेस में एंटर हो गए. And you are entering the divine place in the feet of that Lord, your favorite Lord. Now imagine you're sitting in front of the footsteps of your Lord, and there are only two people, you and your divine. You and your divine. No one else. It's complete silence, complete peace, complete serenity. In stage 4, visualize that you just flew in the air, and there is a light which which is like a candle, या दिए जैसा, या रोशनदान जैसा, and you have suddenly become light, and you entered the heart of your divine. आपके वहाँ उस मंदिर में राम है, आप राम के हृदय में प्रवेश कर गए, लाइट बन के, रोशनी बन के. वहाँ शिव है, आप उनके हृदय में प्रवेश कर गए. वहाँ प्रभु ईसा मसीह हैं, आप उनके हृदय में प्रवेश कर गए लाइट बन के. आप वहाँ अजान है, आप वहाँ आप अल्लाह में मिल गए, मक्का में जाके आप लाइट हो गए. Now can you visualize in stage 5, you have become omnipresent. You are beyond the body. You are beyond the length and the breadth, beyond the height and the width. Right? You're beyond time. You were before the time, you were in the time, you are outside the time. You are before the space, in the space, outside the space. Vyapak, आप व्यापक हो गए। भूत में भी आप थे, वर्तमान में भी आप थे, भविष्य में भी आप होंगे। पहले भी आप थे, अभी भी आप हैं, आगे भी आप होंगे। यहाँ भी आप हैं, वहां भी आप हैं, सब जगह आप ही आप हैं। इस स्थिति में रुकिए। You are the light, the omnipotent, omniscient, and omnipresent. Slowly come back to the space, to the body which you took, to the your virtual body, जो आपकी जो आपका दिव्य शरीर से आप अपने प्रभु के सामने शरीर में बैठे थे। विजुअलाइज करिए कि वो लाइट का सोर्स आपके इष्ट में से निकल के आप में वापस आया है। अब आप डिवाइन हो गए। फिर से विजुअलाइज करिए कि आप अपने मंदिर, गुरुद्वारे, चर्च से बाहर हैं। यू राइट से आउटसाइड ऑफ द डिवाइन प्लेस। यू बैक टू योर ब्रेथ। The breath is moving. Now this breath has become divine, right? Because this has been submitted in the heart and merged with the divine. अपने इष्ट से ये मिल चुके हैं. Slowly come back to the body. You find the body is completely relaxed, rejuvenated, and the light which you brought is being spread inside the entire body. And it's removing all the stress of the body, all the ailments, everything which is there. Slowly move your hands, move your feet, rub your hands, put it on your face. You're back in the body. Open your eyes. I'm back. We're done with the session. Any questions which I can answer? Any further questions?
Mr. Alok, good morning. The mind wanders in between. We are not able to visualize the movement of the light, the divine, and back to the body.
You went
How
till
to?
you went till the temple.
Yes.
So that is 80% success in first attempt. Normally people have 10% success in the first attempt.
But still, the mind gets diverted.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, so this is a practice which you have to do. Hence, I am asking the question that are you practicing it again and again? So in a school, if you study once, you do not study it forever. It's the nature of the mind. It has been wandering, and it will wander. But using the power of awareness to bring the mind back to the action, that's the most critical point. Every time the mind will wander, bring it back to the instructions. Right? Bring it back to the action which is being prescribed by the instructor. That is the only way. And if
Okay.
you and we will share the video or the recording, whatever, right? You can play it again and lie down and do it again and again. Right?
Okay.
In
Okay.
yoga, it's
Okay.
called in yoga it's called yog nidra. We did that thing last week, last Saturday.
Yeah, I remember.
Yog nidra is one of the most powerful tools to control the mind and improve the visualization and increase the power of awareness. And it takes months and years to reach the instructor's phase and do that. So if you have reached till the temple, you have an amazing journey in the very first attempt or the second attempt. So
Thank
don't be
you. Okay.
disheartened. Yeah, don't be disheartened. right? In
Right.
your hand is only doing the action. The benefit is never in your hand. Right.
Right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Any further questions, Sarah, Kunal? Done? Okay. So if there are no questions, we can end up the session today. Right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.